Hi guys, it is Andrew from Miami, Florida, and now we are talking how to ship Prodecatec Phantom X2. First I received very huge box. It was something like 2 meters long and 1 meter high. And when I came with this box to DHL and UPS companies, they say to me that it is $2,000 to send it to Western Europe. In my case it is Ukraine. And now I'll tell you tips how to send these goods from United States cheaper. Usually in some normal countries you have direct delivery, but in Ukraine it is not, and I think in Russian it is not. So how I solve this question? I'll take pedals out, I take wheels out, and then I get these smaller boxes. Here's the rear wheel. So inside of this box is the frame of the bicycle. Here is the wheel 1 and the wheel 2. Then I have this lithium-ion battery. I still don't find how to send it because as you see it is not possible cargo aircraft only. So what I plan for today is to go to USPS service and to send these 3 items, frame, wheel 1, wheel 2 to Ukraine, and then I plan to go to aircraft transport services and to ship this lithium-ion battery directly to Ukraine. I will tell you then how I manage it and what was the result. Have a nice day. Goodbye.